Hello everyone, welcome to Life Means More. In today's video, I am going to tell you about the leading causes of lifestyle disorders. Lifestyle disorders are a major cause of death in almost every country now. The occurrence of these problems is not a one-day process. People suffer due to long-time ignorance of their health care. Some of the lifestyle disorders are obesity, diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, cancers, strokes, chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases, arthritis, and mental health issues. So let us see some of the leading causes of lifestyle disorders. Number 1. Poor nutrition. If your eating habits are linked to skipping meals, overeating, oily, fried, sugary meals, then you could be in the trap of lifestyle disorders. As per the WHO, a healthy diet helps to protect against poor nutrition in all its forms and lifestyle-related health issues such as diabetes, heart diseases, strokes, cancers, and brain disorders also. Eating healthy meals, not skipping meals, and food that contains ingredients from all the major food groups would be helpful to protect you from lifestyle disorders. The second cause is lack of physical activity. Lack of physical activity may lead to obesity or being overweight, and it may lead to several other disorders such as cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, cancers, and various others. The WHO suggests regular physical activity is very helpful for the prevention of diseases and improves the overall quality of life. As per WHO, adults should do 150 to 300 minutes of moderate to intense physical activity every week to provide significant benefits to overall health. Third cause is lack of sleep. According to CDC, that is Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, poor sleep has been linked to diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, depression, and obesity. In the case of diabetes, it has been linked to poor control of blood sugar levels. Whereas in cardiovascular diseases, persons with poor sleeping are found to be at increased risk of high blood pressure, stroke, coronary heart diseases, and irregular heartbeats. In obesity, short sleep duration results in metabolic changes which are linked to obesity. Sleep disturbances for a long time have been one of the important symptoms of depression also. Next cause is chronic stress. Long-term stress puts the body on overexposure to cortisol hormone and other stress hormones which affects your body's normal health process. Overexposure to stress results in heart diseases, weight gain, depression, anxiety, digestive problems, sleep issues, headaches, and memory issues. Stress management is very important to keep away from the different health issues. The next cause is smoking. Smoking affects almost all the organs in a bad manner. Direct smoking may lead to different serious health concerns such as cancer, heart diseases, diabetes, stroke, lung disease, COPD, etc. Whereas second-hand smoke causes stroke, coronary heart diseases, lung cancer, etc. in adults. In children, second-hand smoke causes sudden infant death syndrome, acute respiratory infections, middle ear disease, more severe asthma, respiratory symptoms, and slowed lung growth. And our last cause is alcohol consumption. Excess alcohol drinking in the long term may lead to chronic diseases such as heart disease, stroke, liver diseases, cancer, mental issues, digestive issues, and several others. Whereas in short term, it causes accidents, violence, alcohol poisoning, risky sexual behaviors, miscarriage, and stillbirth in pregnant women. So friends, lifestyle disorders can be easily prevented with the help of eating nutritious meals on time, proper physical activity, proper sleep, stress management, and avoiding alcohol and smoke, which can help maintain life on a healthy note. That's it for today. Do like and share the video and subscribe my channel for more such informative videos. Keep watching. Thank you.